Hey guys, Cars Are here. Today I want to show you guys our locomotive, uh, basically our locomotive and railroad operations for our little railroad. So, a couple of years ago, me and my dad decided to build a HO scale mile railroad. And today I will be showing you our engines. So, right off the bat here, we have a CN SD70 Ace number 8011. We have a SD70 Ace lease engine that right now is also painted in with the CN Newell layering. It is number 1204. We have a little say like a Jeep 30 something dash 2 in number 6417. This was actually my very first locomotive. We have a Alaska Railroad Jeep 38-2 number 2002, and one of our even larger prime movers is the number 4002 Alaska Railroad SD70 Mac number 4002, the Spirit of Seward. The amazing locomotive. That loco runs great. We also have a couple of smaller locomotives scattered here throughout. We have ARR Jeep 30, same locomotive but in BNSF colors. We have a old Burlington F unit, a Santa Fe GP9, a UP GP9, an old Northern Pacific logo that I don't even know what it is, but it doesn't work. We have 3 steam locomotives. We have a USRA 060 number 4432 Union Pacific. We have the exact same loco but in ATSF, so Santa Fe colors, number 2126. And to top it off, we have a Indiana Harbor Belt 080 USRA 080 number 102. It is actually a tender driven loco, but we have a single yard engine I like to call Yard Ape. It is the number 1202. It is a SW1. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.